Editing a video clip in Windows Movie Maker, you need to navigate to where you've saved your video clip. Right-click. In the drop-down list, choose Open With and choose Movie Maker. If it doesn't appear in that drop-down list, then choose another app. Clicking on Movie Maker, your video will be imported into Movie Maker. If you recorded several video clips and want to splice them together, or you want to insert a graphic, then you place your cursor where you would like the insertion to take place. Click on Insert, Add Video or Graphics. Navigate to the file and click on that. In this demonstration, we're inserting a graphic. If your file doesn't appear in the place where you would like it, simply drag. Repeat these steps until you have all the files added. To add a title to your video, place your cursor at the beginning, then choose Title. Change the text in the text box and adjust the text box. You can add an effect to your title. Choose an effect from the effects options. Hover over each one and this will give you a preview of the effect. There are more effects in the drop-down arrow. Click on the one that you would like to have applied. Play your video to preview. If you have something to add at the end of your video, you can insert it the same way. At the end of your video, you can add credits. This could be your reference list, or it can be a list of people involved in making your video. Change the title and then you can copy-paste your reference list into the text box. To make transitions between segments, place your cursor where you would like the transition to begin, then Edit and Trim tool. You want fade medium for both fade in and fade out. If you have different sections or topics in your video, you can introduce them with a caption. Place your cursor where the focus or topic changes, click on Caption, type the caption in the text box. Preview your video. Table slices doesn't happen until later in the video. Click where you want to place an additional caption and change the text. Continue adding captions and previewing your video. You can cut a section out of your video. Place your cursor where you want the first cut applied and choose Split. right-click and split. Place your cursor where you want the second cut applied and choose Split. Right-click, Split. With a split at both ends, you can now remove that section. Add a transition if required. If you want to shorten the end of your video, you can choose Set End Point. Right-click, Set End Point. To save your video, choose Save Movie, recommended for this project. It should be saved as an MP4.